Okay. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Today I'm having a tutorial for to insert a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader or in a PDF file, having this type of places. So to add a signature, you first have to create a signature for yourself. For this reason, you have to go to the edit, and from edit you have to move to preferences. In preferences, I have already selected a signature, but you have to select the signature. Uh, by selecting signature, you will be having these type of options. We are going to go further for identities and trusted certificates. That is, we need to sign our Adobe Acrobat Reader documents, PDF documents, to digitally signature on it. For this, select the option more. I've already inserted my signature in it. For new insertion, you will be going to use this option, having a plus mark on its top. Select a new digital ID I want to create now. By selecting this option, proceed to next. Let it be a digital ID file. Then you have to enter all the sub fields under the signature certificate. First you have to enter your name, go for ABC or whatever you want to enter your name. Organization unit, in which organization you work, either you are a student or you are working in a professional job. Let us write it at double E, and then you have to write a organization name, that is, let's assume BEE. Email address should be bee@gmail.com. Country, you have to select a country or region you live in, or your organization's country in which you work. So let's select Pakistan. Pakistan key algorithm should have to be remain same. Use digital ID for digital signature and data encryption. Go for the next. These are the details you have to enter by yourself, with your name, with your organization unit, with your organization name, with your official email address on which you need to be contacted, and the country or region you live in. Moving to next, this will require a browse option where you want to save your file. These are different options where you can save your browse for a desktop or other version. Go for the passwords, because it will need password to always enter a signature or to use a signature in your Adobe Acrobat file. Let's make it simple. Double E 1234 double E 1234 double E 1234 double E 1234. Okay, this is the password for us. It's better to copy your password and save it somewhere else, because once you forgot your password, you will not be able to access your signature. So let's move to the next. This is finished. Now we have created a certificate with the name abcbwe at the rate gmail and so on. So moving further, we have to add this file, because we have created a new digital ID. Now we have to add this digital ID from a file, roaming digital ID accessed by a server, a device connected to this computer. Once you have created your ID, then you will go to this option to add a file of that signature. We have created a digital ID using using a file option, and we have stored our digital ID in a file. So we have selected this option, a file, and move to the next option. It will ask you for the file name where you have saved. So I will browse. I saved the file in the file extension I already stored. There is abc.pfx. Select it and open it. it is going to require a password. Password you selected for that signature. So let's enter our password, double E 1234, double E 1234. Let's go back, then to the next. It made some error, I don't know why. Let's check either it's making the error now. No, it's not making this. Double E 1234, double E 1234. Okay, let's move to next. This is the signature you have created, ABC ABC, and this is the signature you want to enter. Go for the finish. By selecting this, you can see that your signature have been made, and it's valid from this to this. And that's all for the settings for creating a signature. Then there is the option in a file where you need a signature to enter. So select that option, and there are the signatures you have already entered. You can check them with their details, view details, or either you know the details because you have created them. So select ABC, which is a digital ID file, and continue. By continue, it will again ask you about the password. Enter the password, EE1234, EE1234. Okay, sign. The file needs to be saved somewhere. Let's save it with ABC, which is our signature file. ABC signature file. Save. Okay, there's the digital signature. ABC digitally signed by ABC at that date, that time, blah blah blah. That's all from my side.